Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Fit and Healthy Over 50. My name is Lilian, but you can call me Lily. And today I have a very simple video for you. It's about resistance training. I meet a lot of people who are over 40 and are starting to see the benefit of lifting weights, but a lot of the time it's a bit intimidating for them to lift weights in the gym because they see people around them that are supposed to be so advanced, and that can be quite intimidating. So today I have a very simple video for you, 7 moves. I just recorded myself yesterday in the gym, and I hope that will inspire you and help you to get started with very simple movements. So this video is all about the upper body. Now, please keep in mind that this is not my proper workout. I just wanted to show you simple moves that you could start practicing yourself. As you could see, you just need dumbbells and you just need a bar, and you can just get started. So you don't have to be in the gym. You can do that at home if you wish, right? Let me know if you like the video, and I'll talk to you soon.